Hi, hello and welcome to this Learn DSP channel. This is the fourth lesson in this series. It's a pleasure to meet you in this video. I am Ramadas, an assistant professor EC department. What we are going to see in this video is convolution. So here there are two different types of convolution. One is linear convolution and another one is circular convolution. So in this video we are going to see is linear convolution, and we can solve some problems based upon this linear convolution. So first, linear convolution problems. So linear convolution is a powerful technique for to analyze an LTI system, that is linear time invariant system. It is a powerful technique for to analyze an LTI system. Look at this problem. Find the linear convolution for a given sequence x1 of n, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and x2 of n is 4, 3, 2, 1. So if the problem will be given like this, means you first note it down. What we are going to find in this problem is you have to find the linear convolution. So convolve between these two signals by using linear convolution method. So linear convolution, the important point you note it here is a general method is just multiply of two sequence. That's it. Because when you want to solve the linear convolution, you can have the two different method of approach to solve this linear convolution problem. One is direct multiplication method and another one is tabulation method. Multiplication method and another one is tabulation method. Multiplication method and tabulation method. First you solve the multiplication method. So here the condition for linear convolution is n, which is equal to L plus m minus 1, because the length of the output sequence should be n equal to L plus m minus 1. For linear convolution, we don't bother about the length of the input sequence. Both input sequence are equal. Okay. So here L, which is equal to length of the first input sequence, and m, which is equal to length of the second input sequence. Here first input sequence is 4, the second sequence is also 4. So n, which is equal to 4 plus 4 minus 1. So 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7. Right. So definitely our length of the output sequence should be 7. So it consists of 7 samples. So first one is x1 of n. You write this order: 1, 2, 3, 4. x2 of n, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here what we are going to do is first take the first value from x1 of n. So I have to take the first value of x1 of n is here 1, and multiply with all the values in x2 of n. Multiply all the values with x2 of n. Okay. See 1 into 1, 1 into 4, 1 into 4, 4. Next 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2. Then 1. Next, and take the second value of x1 of n. Second value of x1 of n is 2, and it should be multiplied with all the values of x1 of n. So now it become 2. So 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 1, 2. Next, take the third value of x2 of n and multiply with all the values of x1 of n. So 3. 3 into 4, 12. Next 3 into 3, 9. Next 3 into 2 6 and 1 into 3 3. So next take the fourth value. Here fourth value is 4 and multiply with all the values. So now it become 4 into 4 16, 4 3 is 4 into 3 12, 4 into 2 8, 1 into 4 so 4. Now you just add all the values here, so you can get 4, 8 plus 3 11, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 2 20, next 16 plus 4 20, 29 30, next 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 6 20, next 8 plus 3 11, then 4. This is your answer. So therefore you want to write down the result here. So therefore y of n, because y of n is output response, you write it down in sequence order. So 4 comma 11 comma 20 comma 30 comma then 20 comma 11 comma 4. You just count it down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So total length of the output sequence is 7. Okay, so this is your output of this first method, linear convolution. Okay, now we move on to second approach. So second approach is type 2, that is we call it as tabulation method. So tabulation method. So first step is, for example, if I take down the problem is find the output of linear convolution for the following sequence. Given term is x1 of n, which is equal to 1 2 3 4, and x2 of n is 4 3 2 1. Okay, same problem only, but I solved by using tabulation method. Okay, so step 1, draw one table and mention x1 of n and x2 of n. So how to draw is, here you draw like this, you split like this diagonal element. So here you have to take x1 of n, here you have to take x2 of n, another sequence. So you fill the first x1 of n values. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, next x2 of n is 4 3 2 1. Okay, so the second step will be, this is step 1. So second step will be, you just multiply the first number of x2 of n with all the value of x1 of n. Okay, so here first value is 4. Okay, you take this 4 and multiply with all the values of x1 of n. So now it become 1 into 4 4, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 3 12, 4 into 4 16. Okay, so next multiply, take the second value in step 2. So take the second value, so that is 3. So now take this 3 value here and multiply with all the values of x1 of n. So 3 into 1 it become 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 3 12. Next take the third value of x2 of n, here third value is 2 and multiply with all the x1 of n. So 1 into 2 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8. Next last value, that is fourth value, is here 1. So I multiply with the x1 of n. So 1 2 3 4. So next step will be, draw the diagonal line here. Okay, draw the diagonal line here, but you should be very careful in to draw this diagonal line. So first line, next second diagonal line, next third diagonal line, next fourth part, fifth one, next sixth one. So if you draw this diagonal line, you just recheck it. So the first portion, the first and the last box value, that is here it consists of 1, here also it consists of 1. Then second box, so here 2, here also 2. Then third, here it consists of 3, here also it consists of 3. So central line is, it consists of 4. So it have to be equally cut into 2 half. So you must be careful for to draw these diagonal elements, but because if you draw at a, not in correct order means definitely your answer should be wrong. Okay, so next, so last step is you just add the diagonal value from the top. Okay, you just add the diagonal value from the top. So therefore y of n which is equal to first diagonal box is it consists of only one sample, that is 4. So we put it down 4. Next diagonal box it consists of two samples, we just add together. So 8 plus 3 11. Next third diagonal box it consists of 3 samples, so 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 12 20. Next fourth diagonal elements it consists of 16 plus 4 20, 29 30. Next here 6 plus 12 20 22. Sorry, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 12 20. Next 8 plus 3 11. Next 4. Okay, so here the length of the output sequence is here also n, which is equal to, what is that formula? N equal to L plus m minus 1. So here length of the input sequence is 4, here also 4. So 4 plus 4 minus 1, so it become 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this is where how to find out the or to compute the linear convolution of any given two sequence. Okay, by using general method, that is direct multiplication method, and second one is tabulation method. Okay, that's all I want to say for now on this video. So next we are going to see circular convolution method in the next video. Thank you. Bye.